What's up guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show seconds on your taskbar clock in Windows 11 PC. If you look on the lower right hand side, you can see that I have my time and date, but you can see that I have just the hour and the minutes, right? But how do you add the seconds, right? So in order to easily add this, guys, you want to right click on your taskbar and click on taskbar settings. Right from here, you want to click on the taskbar behaviors. So click on that, and if you scroll down, you will see the option unchecked that says show seconds in system tray clock uses more power, right? So you know that this is going to use more power. However, if you don't mind and you want to have the seconds, just check that box. And if you look now to the lower right hand side, you can see I know of seconds there. So guys, if you want to add this to your computer, you can simply follow these steps and come here and add it. And that's how easy it is to add your hours, minutes, and seconds on your taskbar for your clock. So very easy stuff here, guys. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.